The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Deepak, Chris, Tim, Dennis, guys, good morning. I apologize if I sound nasally. I have a terrible cold. I have had it for 2 or 3 days now, and it's miserable. In any event, guys, good morning. Today is Thursday. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. As a reminder, I don't think it's COVID. No, I don't think so. I've had COVID. This is nothing like COVID. I think it's a common cold. Yeah, Paul. I know, Paul. I had it. It's not fun. In any event, yesterday was a phenomenal trade, both with the bots and with order flow. And today is not, you guys may have noticed that one of the things that I've stressed is that all of you have a news service. And the reason you should have a news service is so that you are aware of potentially pending news that may affect how the bots trade. There's the 8 o'clock bell. So one of the things that we have today, which would be on your news services, is we have a interest rate decision out of the ECB. An interest rate decision out of the ECB is no different than if we have an interest rate decision here with the FOMC. Consequently, let's see here. Yeah, 8:15. Thank you. Expected at 25%. And then we've got Christine Lagarde speaking. Good morning, Nick. So if you have been running bots this morning, I have monitored my bots this morning. They have traded poorly in anticipation of ECB news. And again, I can't stress enough to you guys that I've said it in the videos, I've said it in education, I've said it in the room. There are free services. You do not need the same service that I have. You don't have to pay $200 a month for a news service. There are free services that will alert you to these things so that you know, does it make sense to run the bots? How may the markets trade? Good morning, Mark. How may the markets trade ahead of a fairly significant decision? So if you're running the bots this morning, you know they're trading, sloppy. To be expected. No different than you or I would trade. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. Man, found it right away. And then we'll look at charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. An ES bot trade while I was gone. We got it on MES as well. And I don't think NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ got a trade. So I'm not sure. Not sure why we're only up 341. Yes, that's normal. It's a volume difference. MES is 10 times the volume. Well, that short turned into a hell of a short. Yeah, I don't know why I'm only up 341. You're up 700 and change. Hey, Greg, good morning. Yeah, I'd like to see us pull back to 320 and see what happens there. Guys, just ahead of the open here, NASDAQ's up 18, give or take. ES is down 10 handles. YM's off 145. EMD and Russell down. Gold is down $4. Crude is down $4. Natty gas is off 20 cents. Today is inventory day. I am not running natural gas spot. Candle closed below VWAP. ES is already below. Back above VWAP. It's all sellers at the moment. 400 and almost 500. Nice job, Ray. Down to 1600. Down to 1600 net sellers. 505. We should now trade up to maybe 520. Target 1 is where this should go. Got target 1 in the ES bot. Out. I think this volatility is because of Lagarde. But we're building a big bull flag on the 10-minute. If you have 39.70s, you're in the money. Come on, baby. Come on, yes. Let's go. Pump it up. $1,400 positive delta on the NASDAQ. We ain't looking for shorts, guys. Here comes your SPX 39.70s. What a pain in the neck trade this is. $39.70 SPX calls. Trade them as you see fit. You're in the money. Big in the money. We're 790. They're now 1120. Target one filled. Boom. Yes. Order flow trade. Target one filled. Guys, this is almost a double on SPX. All right, we're breaking up finally. Get above this 15. Let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. Stop chooching around. Let's go back up and get the high of the day at 550 now. We got 515. The next level up is 550. We're pushing yesterday's high. We're back at yesterday's high. I'm watching Amazon here, guys, for a move back above 123.36. I'll buy 124 calls. Tesla calls above that 780. I said I missed it. Tesla calls. You can buy 800s. $1,600 net buyers in the NASDAQ, and we're still floating around. We're pushing yesterday's high at 517. If we can break cleanly, above 520 or so, that will be it. ES is headed to 80 now, guys. That's my final target here, 39.80. Come on, ES, let's go. NASDAQ, let's go. ES needs to come up through 72. Top of this 15-minute, 71. Top of the current 15-minute bar, high of the 15-minute bar. Still not bad for July. A little bit slower today, but we still be doing it. Need to get above 24, guys, on a 2 minute. Same with the 30 range. The 2 minute is our problem. ES is now holding support 64, needs to break above 68, really the high of the 15-minute bar, 71, and the ES will sprint again. Come on, NASCrack. Get your run on. Come on, let's get target 3. Let's go. Target 3. Come on, baby. All targets hit. Bot's now up 22.42 and 50 cents. 22.42.50. An open runner here on MES. Crude sold. Everything sold simultaneously. It must be something she said. I'll bring the ES spot over in a second, fellas. If this NASDAQ breaks up here, I'm long. Come on. Nope, not yet. Back up to 1,000 net buyers. Here's the ES spot trade, fellas. Come on, NASDAQ. Let me go to a small time frame. No, not yet. Out. Biden testing positive for COVID-19. Oh, damn. He must not have taken his booster shots. Gotta get the jab, guys. 8 or 10, 12 booster shots. Gotta get the jab. Oh, wait. That doesn't prevent COVID. Wait. It's in the science. Fauci doesn't lie. Filled here on the NASDAQ. If this thing fails and sells off, I'm going to be torqued. First trade after inventory. And it's a failure. Boy, I'd like to see him sell this market off a few hundred points and drag Europe into the abyss. We're basically flat on the day. Out. For the record, the bots will close up 708.75. They were up over 2,300. I took back-to-back losses on natural gas. Par for the course. Inventory. You send me an email, Mark. Same with the ES. ES could have taken 45.50. Gold. So maybe we get a pullback into 11:30 when Europe closes. And that's the end of it. And then maybe a small bid on the way up. You're welcome, Ozzy. Guys, if you didn't make money, you're not taking trades. Is there anybody that did not get paid today? Anybody not make money today? Maybe we get a pullback. I don't think we come much lower than 72 now, if we come back. Guys, I'm done for the day. This last trade was a very nice, slow grinding trade. If anybody has any questions, concerns, needs me, just email me. Once again, if you're here on trial, all trials will end tomorrow. I will send out one final email today. Check your emails, Barry. Check your emails. I responded to you. 11:30. Check your emails. At 11:30, Send me your numbers or your login. Okay? Not before, as per my email. Guys, be blessed. I will see all of you tomorrow.